applications like that, the criticality of the machine is really important. And it's important to either public health, it's important to, obviously, you want reliable aircraft and things like that. And so that's where you find in machining the challenges. We talked about those tolerances earlier. The parts have to be within those tolerances, because if not, the machine's not going to function like they expect. You can have some really bad outcomes in those situations. And so, that's where it becomes critical. And what you're trying to do is, my experience, I used to work at Pratt & Whitney, a big engine builder. So I've seen like the entire chain from, I've been to airlines, I've worked with a lot of airlines, all the way back to the mines, to where they mine the raw material to get these parts built. And what you find is both industries have done a really good job of making like a layered defense, I would call it, where, there's some level of conservatism in how the machine is operated, like how the aircraft is operated or whatever. There's some level of conservatism in the maintenance practices, so that, you don't have to worry about maintenance practices. There's some level of conservatism in the design. There's some level of conservatism in the manufacturing. And all of that stuff adds up so that you have multiple layers of defense, so you don't have catastrophic failures. And that's really the same attitude in medical as well. They're slightly different flavors, but in the end, what you're looking for is a repeatable product. And a great example is, let's say we don't do these products, but think of like pacemakers. If that doesn't work, somebody's gonna die. Like, they're gonna have a heart attack. And so things like that are where it's really critical to make sure you have that layered approach, where you have to have really catastrophic failures for something to go wrong. And same thing in aircraft. A lot of things can go wrong and the plane can still get home. And it's because, and when you look at our part of it, what we have to do is we have to manufacture it as it's intended. So that's what's critical.